In this lecture, we will be covering the different type of Tableau products. So Tableau has about 6 products in their portfolio. The products being Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, Tableau Online, Tableau Server, Tableau Reader, and Tableau Prep. The difference between these different softwares is as shown below. So Tableau Desktop, it allows you to create your dashboards and publish them as well onto a server. So you can connect your data, you can manipulate it, and afterwards you can publish it. Tableau Public, on the other hand, you have the same features as Tableau Desktop, but this is a free product. It allows you to create workbooks, but you can only publish them onto Tableau Public. So the difference between the Tableau Desktop and the Public is the desktop you can publish it onto the server as well as the Tableau Public, and this is a paid product, while Tableau Public allows you to publish them onto Tableau Public for everyone to see. And this is a free product. So the other product that they have is Tableau Online. It has the same functionality as Tableau Desktop, but not all the functionality is there. So there are some things that you might find on Tableau Desktop that might not be on Tableau Online. So another product that they have is the Tableau Server. So Tableau Server connects so Tableau Desktop and Tableau Server, these go hand in hand. So it allows you to publish and share your workbooks. So the workbooks that you create on Tableau Desktop, they get published onto Tableau Server. Tableau Reader, it's free software by Tableau. It allows you to read Tableau workbooks. So let's say you were to create a dashboard on Tableau Desktop and you were to send it off to a colleague or to someone who might not have the Tableau Desktop installed. So what they can do is they can open it up using a Tableau Reader and view the dashboard. So they cannot create or modify existing workbooks. It's just a reader. So Tableau Prep is one of the newer products that they have come out with. It is a ETL tool which lets you prepare your data. It lets you clean it before you connect it to Tableau Desktop to create your dashboards. It is a very useful tool, and it is one of the tools that we'll be creating a course on later on, which would help you expand your knowledge and get your hands on all of these different products.